How to turn off auto scroll on Twitter or X. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So first of all, let me be clear that Twitter, which is now called as X, does not have a simple built-in way to turn off auto scroll, but here are some ways to reduce or stop it. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Twitter or the X application, log into your account, and use the latest tweets view. The For You tab automatically updates, pushing new tweets to the top and causing auto scrolling. However, you can fix it by going to the stars icon in the top right of your timeline and tap on the See Latest Tweets instead. This will show the tweets in order, reducing the auto scrolling. You can also use the Twitter on computer with a browser extension. If you're on a computer, you can use the browser extension to stop the auto refresh. And for Chrome, you can install the Auto Refresh Blocker extension. And this helps with random refreshes but might not stop all of your scroll jumps. And you can also pause the feed manually if you're using mobile. And when reading a tweet or thread, tap the tweet to open it fully. Now, this stops the timeline from updating when you are reading. Avoid leaving the home feed open when you're not using it, as it will refresh and scroll you to the top. You can also use third-party Twitter apps like TweetDeck, X Pro on desktop, which offer more control and don't refresh the timeline as often. And you can access it by going to pro.twitter.com. So basically, there isn't an official setting in the Twitter or the X application or website to completely disable the auto scroll feature. So Elon Musk is aware of the user complaints, so this feature may be added in the future. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.